Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Potrero Yard Modernization Project. This presentation includes information shared during our September 2023 Community Open House, recent neighborhood working group meetings, and other public hearings. All information is current as of February 2024. For additional information and most recent project updates, please visit us at sfmta.com/Potrero Yard. History and background. Muni's Potrero Yard has been a mainstay in the Mission and Potrero Hill communities for over 100 years while supporting the city's transit needs. It is now being reimagined in partnership with the SFMTA's selected developer team, Potrero Neighborhood Collective, also known as PNC. PNC is a unique combination of organizations that bring together global infrastructure development with local expertise rooted in San Francisco that include Plenary Americas as the lead developer, workforce housing developer, and sole equity investor, Mission Economic Development Agency, Young Community Developers, and Tabernacle Community Development Corporation as joint affordable housing developers, and a consultant team that includes Arcadis, YA Studio, Plant Construction, the Allen Group, WT, and DNA Communications. The existing bus yard is located across the street from Franklin Square and has a partial open-air design. The yard is bound by 17th Street to the north, Hampshire Street to the east, Mariposa Street to the south, and Bryan Street to the west. PNC's proposed design includes demolishing the existing bus yard and developing a new, fully enclosed bus yard with integrated housing and retail opportunities. This vision for a reimagined Potrero Yard is part of the SFMTA's $2+ billion capital improvement program known as Building Progress, and it is a groundbreaking approach to investing in the city's transit and housing needs. As the nation's first known joint development of a bus maintenance facility with housing and commercial spaces, the project will allow the SFMTA to increase its fleet at the yard to 213 all-electric trolley buses, provide workspaces that enhance employee wellness, create up to 465 units of affordable and workforce housing, all while improving the surrounding pedestrian and bicycle infrastructure for increased safety and comfort. Built in 1915, Potrero Yard today maintains over 150 trolley coaches that serve 7 Muni routes. Pre-COVID, 102,000 Muni riders relied on routes from Potrero every day. A new bus yard will increase efficiency, allowing quicker bus repairs and improving Muni's reliability, create sustainable infrastructure to support an all-electric fleet, allow for future growth with room to accommodate 54% more buses at the yard, and improve working conditions with various amenities and safe conditions for approximately 800 staff.